Here we go again, guys, riding through the Pearl. Just checking things out.
We'll use it no matter what. I just
Last year. I don't feel bad because I'm not the one that walked right in front of an electric Hummer. Man, oh man. Nice. Cool rigs. No worries. Oh wow. Look what we got going on today. Doo-doo-doo. Beautiful vehicles. I think it's so cool there's always a Maybach out here. Oh, that ain't even a Maybach. That's a freaking Rolls. Whoa. Whoa, never saw one of those before. Till today. Cool. Wow. Wow. And then go look at the Maybach. Okay, guys. Oh, wow. There she go. Beautiful. Alright guys, thank you for joining me on a little quick, short Pearl. And just to let you know, here in February, it's February 7th, 2026, it is almost 80 degrees. So, that's the thing. Alright guys, catch you later, get outdoors, get some therapy. Alright, bye.